Hello, guys. Hello, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Mr. Jesus. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I'm happy, energetic, everything good. And you, mister?
Mm, good.
Good. Did you go to school?
Yes.
Yes. Good. All right. And ready for your class?
Yes.
Excellent. Hi, Paulette. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hi, teacher. Fine, and you?
I'm fine. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Jaisa. Hello, Jaisa. How is your internet today?
Hello, teacher. It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Excellent. So welcome to the class. Hi, Regina.
Hi, Mr. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. Doing good. Did you go to school?
Yes,
And everything was fine?
yes,
Yes, that's
everything is okay.
great. Great, great. What's up, Angie? How are you, Angie?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm good, and you?
I'm good too. How was your day today?
Very happy.
Very nice. Excellent. There is one fly, I think. I saw a fly. All right. Let's get to work. Let me see your cameras, please, so we can continue and we can finish with this topic today. All right. The problems with the pronunciation. We're going to finish finally with this. Hello, Camila. How are you?
Hello, teacher. Fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine. Are you ready for this headache with this pronunciation headache? Yes. Very nice. Hi, Hi, Jimena. How are you? I was going to say Camila. All right. Okay. So we have been working with how many sounds we have? Remember how many sounds we are working with?
44.
44, exactly. We mentioned that we can divide the 44 sounds in consonants and vowels, right? Do you remember how many for each? Consonant. We have 24 consonants and we have 20 vowel sounds, okay? Hi, Mr. Kevin, how are you?
Hi, teacher. Fine, thank you. And you?
Doing good. Are you ready to continue?
Yes, teacher.
Perfect. So guys, let's go with sound 27. And we finished 26, right? Everything's good with 26, correct? All right. So in this case, we're going to continue with 27. And it's, remember that we are working with vowels. In this moment, we are working with vowels. All right, so we're going to continue with 27. And it's the letter E. And that pronunciation for this is going to be a short E. A short E. And the sound is going to be eh.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Evelyn. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Excellent. Working already. So,
Yes.
sound or not sound? What's up, Alina? How are you?
Hi, teacher. Good afternoon. Good, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. So, vibration or not vibration with E? Hi, Abril.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today? Good?
Yes.
Excellent. This is going to be a yes vibration, right? All right? And look at this one. One E is going to be A. EA is going to be A. A U is possible to be A. That's amazing, okay? IE is going to be A. AI is going to be A. And A is going to be A. Oh my God, we have too many in here. All those conjugation, no, all those combinations, right, are going to sound like E. For example, well, in here we have no problem, right? And, no problem, and. But look at this one. EA is only E. What's the pronunciation? No, it's brat.
Hi, teacher.
Brat.
How are you
Hi,
today?
Emiliano, how are you?
Happy, teacher. And you?
I'm happy too and ready to work. Hi, Paul.
Hi.
Doing good, mister.
Yes.
Perfect. So, what's the pronunciation, guys? Brat or
Bread.
bread? Okay, only E. Bread, bread. Look at this. We have a U that sounds like E. What's the pronunciation? No burry. It's
Very.
berry, berry. Y significa, remember what is that? Bury. I'm going to bury you. ¿No? ¿No se acuerdan del verbo? Enterrar. All right? Somebody dies and then we bury them. All right? Okay, look at this combination. I-E is going to sound like E. What's the pronunciation?
Friend.
With no E,
Friend.
only E.
Friends.
Friend, exactly. Friend, right? No friend, that. IE is like A. Okay. And now we have this combination. AI sounds like E. ¿Cómo se dice? Dijo. Said or
Said. Said.
no E, only E.
Said.
Said. So he said, all right? That's a good pronunciation there. All right? Look at this one, the next one. Only an A is going to sound like E. For example,
Many.
many. All right? Look at this combination. EO sounds like E. No es leopard. What is it?
Leopard.
Leopard. Leopard? No. Leopard. Very good. And we have the combination A-E. That sounds like E. What's the pronunciation? As aesthetic or?
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic or static. Okay. Esta es una de las más complicadas. So many. Muchos sonidos. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go with 28. Are you ready? Ready? 28. In this case, we're going to have this symbol is like an I, but with 2 points, you know? And this represents when you have, for example, an A with 2 symbols like that, or an E, in this case, I, with 2 symbols like that, that means that is a short vowel. And the sound is similar to Spanish. Okay? So the sound is going to be E. E, 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 E. What is it? Voiceless or voiced?
Voice.
Vibration or it's vibration? It's a yes, vibration. Okay. So in this case, let's go. An E is like an I, okay? 2 E's, I, in this case is E, okay? This one is an E. The Y is an E also, okay? E, those combinations, E, 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 too many, I'm sorry. But those are familiar, okay? Don't worry. E, 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 okay? For example, this one is easy, right? What's that pronunciation?
B.
B.
B, like this, right? B. And then two is like in, what is this?
Week.
Week or
B.
B, in this case is B. And then combination EA sounds like E. What is that pronunciation?
Meat.
Meat, in this case, meat. Like this, right? Meat. Okay. This one is easy. Hawaii is easy. What is it?
Lady.
Lady. Combination EY sounds like E. What is the pronunciation? K or?
P.
Key. The key. Open the key, right? Combination OE sounds like E. What is the pronunciation?
Phoenix.
Phoenix. This one is E. Phoenix. Okay. Combination IE sounds like E. It's grief or? Grief. Exactly. Grief. Only one E in here. Obviously, this one is easy. Ski. Combination EI. It's like E. What is the pronunciation, guys? It's with E. Deceive.
Deceive.
Exactly. Deceive. Y este es extraño, pero la E y la O. EO sounds like E. What is it? No
People.
fail, people. Exactly. P, 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 P. ¿Ok? Entonces, esto para que quede claro, cuando vean, por ejemplo, si ven la letra I con dos símbolos así, ¿cómo suena? Suena como en español.
Y
Y, if you have this symbol, ¿cómo suena esa E? Suena
Pues como
como E, ¿ok? Cada vez que vean esos dos símbolos después de una vocal aquí, es que el sonido de esa vocal va a sonar como en español. Okidoki, ese es un tip. All right. All right, let's see. Let's go with number 29, okay? Okay, this symbol over here it's like an E combined with the E. It's like a IE combinadas. Okay, we're gonna do the sound. No es I, it's E. It. Por ejemplo, muchos alumnos dicen it. En este de aquí, it, ¿verdad? Pero, si tú dices esto, ¿qué es esto? ¿Cómo se pronuncia?
it,
It, ¿ok? Y no son iguales. They're not equal. This one is like it, it. Porque este EA, si se fijan, lo tenemos aquí, que suena como I. It, ¿no? Pero, si hacemos este de aquí, suena como it, 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 it. ¿Me explico? No es it, es it. For example, it is, no dices it is, dices it is, it is. ¿Sí ven la diferencia? Right? It's not necessarily a ni. It's like a example. It's England or England. England or England.
England.
It's like right? Vamos a hacer el sonido aquí. Aquí. Et, et. ¿Suena o no?
yes,
Yes, it's a sound, vibration sound. There you go. So, let's go with the sounds in here. So, it's going to be et, England. No es women, es women. Women. All right? No es women, women. No es busy, es busy. Busy. You know what I mean? Van a decir, oh, el profe está loco. But no, it's pronunciation, right? Okay, look at this one. This combination, or this combination. Busy. No es busy, es I'm busy, busy. Built, no es build, it's built, built. Like a IE, okay? It's not gym, it's gym, gym. It's like IE, okay? So, it's another different sound. Okay, doc? Questions right now? Did you copy? You copy the words?
yes.
Number 30. This one is very easy because it's like I, like that, I. All right, that sound is going to be I, 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 I. I, I, I. What is it, Camila?
Yes.
Is a yes, exactly. Yes vibration. I, okay. So, look at this one, guys. One I, it's I. A Y is I. This IGH sounds like I. Okay. Let's go one by one. Is this one? What's the pronunciation of that sound? It's very easy. What is it?
Spider.
A either. Spider. That's it. A spider. A Y. What is the sound? What is it? Sky. I. All right. Look at this combination. IGH. What is the sound?
Night.
Night. Very good. We have IE. What is the sound?
Pie.
Pie. I. Y sounds like I. What is the sound?
Guy.
Guy. Y and E sounds like I. What is the sound? Sty. Look at this one, guys. AI. The sound is going to be aisle. Este es un pasillo, ¿ok? Un pasillo. Oh, it's only one S, I'm sorry. Pasillo. An aisle, okay? And look at this one. IS, no es Island. No. What is the sound? Island, no.
Iceland.
Iceland.
Pero sin S, porque la S ya incluye el I.
Island.
Island, very good. Island. No es Island, es island. Una isla, okay? And then look at this one. Oh my God, that's very long. EIGH. Sounds like
Height.
height. Que sería height. Height. Y aquí viene algo muy impresionante. I/E. Like, for example, like, live. So if you have one I and one E. This combination is I. Example, this one. I. Papalote, this one, right? Papalote. What's the pronunciation? Kite or
Kite.
kite? Kite. I. Okay? All right. Number 31, guys, ready? This is the symbol. It's like an A, but twisted a little bit, okay? And the sound is going to be like ah. Open your mouth and then you say ah. For example, la. ¿Se fijan cómo queda abierta la boca? La. Ahí está el sonido. Ah. Like an open ah. Ah. So, the sound is ah. What is it?
Yes.
Yes, it's vibration. A lot of vibration. So, look at this combination. One is possible to sound like H-O sounds like A-U sounds like A-W, O-U-G-H, Here we have the sound.
¿Ese símbolo qué es?
It's this one.
Yes.
It's like a twisted A or A, you know? Nada volteada diría yo. So, pronunciation for this one, remember, the sound is open. What is it?
Swan.
Swan, right? Swan, que es un pantano, right? Swan. Look at this one. H-O, it's like No es honest. What is it?
Honest.
Honest. That person is very honest. Honest. You see? No honest. And then we have the combination A-U. No es my aunt. Mi tía, no. My aunt, no. What is it?
Aunt.
My aunt. You see? And then, no es loud. Right? It's going to be sla. Okidok. Y miren esto que tanto se les complica. Pout or pout or whatever. What's the pronunciation?
Pot.
¿Se acuerdan de este verbo que es muy complicado también para ustedes, que es pensó en inglés? Pensó, right? Aquí tenemos esto, mira, O-U-G-H, O-U-G-H. Entonces, si vamos a usar el TH y vas a decir thought. ¿Me explico? O cuando el verbo cachar en pasado. Cachar en pasado, ¿se lo saben? It's irregular. You don't remember this one. Look at the combination O-U-G-H. So it's gonna be
Cat.
caught. Caught, exactly. Okay. Entonces, a este no le tengan miedo a esta combinación. Muchos alumnos le tienen miedo, como que too many letters in there. No, it's only okay? Pot, pot, caught. All right. Let's continue. 32. We have two symbols in here. Okay. This is amazing. This one is O. 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 Actually, if you see the symbol, it's like a O, right? Ding, 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 ding. O, 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 O. Too many. Sorry. Ya quiero terminar con este tema, chicos.
Son 44.
Yes, Paul. Oh my God. Maybe we finished today, I think. But 3 classes with this topic.
¿Y no
Finish.
dos?
¿Mm?
No fueron 2 clases.
Pero esta es la tercera, ¿que no? Or no? Yeah, I think so.
Mhm.
Yeah. I think 2.5 because the first one was only 7 symbols, I guess. All right, so listen to the sound. Is it vibration or not? Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah.
It's a yes, right? So this is very simple. Look, this one, O, O, E again, O, O-U-G-H. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, guys. All right, let's go with the pronunciation. This one, very simple. No, it's open, is
Open.
open. The store is open, open, no open, ¿ok? Esto que sería una palomilla, como una de esas mariposas negras, palomilla. Palomilla. What's the pronunciation?
Mode.
Moat. Excellent. This one, guys, an O divided with an E. The sound is
Bone.
bone. Exactly, bone. Pie. No, sorry. Dedo del pie. What is the sound?
Toe.
Toe.
Toe. Toe. Okay. S-O-W. Do you know what S-O-W is? Let me give you a definition. S-O-W.
Sembrar.
Sembrar, thank you. right? So the pronunciation is, oh, wait a minute. The combination is the W, the O and the W, and the pronunciation is sow, plantar, sow. I will sow 10 trees in my garden, okay? Esta es masa para galletas or something. Pronunciation?
Dough.
Dough, dough. This one, pronunciation? Bow. B-R-O-O. Brooch, brooch, que es un broche. Un broche, brooch. And then S-E-W is sew. Very similar to this one, okay, right here. Yes, coser. Or like this, right? So, okie doke. All right. Oh, oh. Let's continue. 33. This is easy, thanks God, only 4. Look at the symbol, and that pronunciation is like an ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. So this one can sound like an ooh, double O is like a ooh, and ooh obviously like an ooh, and O-U obviously like an ooh. Examples. Is it vibration or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Ooh, ooh, yes. So pronunciation. Acuérdense que LF suena como F.
Woof.
Woof, woof, woof. Very good. This one is easy.
Look.
Look.
Look, this one is easy. Bush,
Bush.
bush. And O-U is like a U pronunciation.
Wood. Wood.
Wood, wood, exactly. Y acuérdense que la L y la D suenan como D, entonces sería wood, wood, no wood. Wood, no. Okie dokie. All right. Let's continue because we need to hurry up. We have another symbol. It's like a pyramid. And it's like a ah, 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 ah. All right. Vibration, guys. Ah, ah, ah.
Yes.
Yes, Kevin, thank you. It's a yes. All right, let's go with pronunciation. Sounds like ah. No es lug, es
Black.
Black.
lag, lag, lag. No es monkey. What is it?
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. No es monkey. Monkey. No es blood, que es sangre. What is it? Double O.
Blood.
Black.
Blood. Blood. Exactly. No es double. No es double. Is
Double.
double. Double. Exactly. Double. Double. Blood. Blood. Monkey. Monkey. Okay. All right. Ready for the next one? Yes. 35. Miren el símbolo. ¿Cuál sería el sonido?
U.
U. Very good. U. Porque suena como español. Look at the symbol. So, U is going to be a yes. U. Bueno, cópienlo y ahorita hablamos. Ready. Ready for pronunciation?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So, pronunciation for this is like ooh, remember?
Who.
Who, yeah, who? Who is your brother? Now, recuerda que said Looney Tunes, Looney Tunes, Lou, right? Esto que sería como el sereno, sereno. What's the pronunciation?
Do.
Do.
Do, que usualmente dijimos do, but it's gonna be do. Hay una soda que se llama Mountain Dew. ¿Nunca la han probado? Mountain Dew.
Sí, está muy buena.
Es muy rica. Pronunciation Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. All right. Pronunciation for this is like ooh.
Blue.
Blue. Exactly. Pronunciation for this division ooh.
Flute.
Flute. Flauta. The flute. Flauta. Flute. Pronunciation for this OE.
Shoe.
Shoe.
Shoe. Pronunciation for OUGH. U.
True.
True. True. Very good. Miren este que no lo vuelvan a decir como fruit. 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 Exactly. Maneuver. 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 Y esta última. What is it? Group. Group. Finished. 36, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is easy. This is the symbol and the sound is oi, 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 oi. Okay. It's a yes. So this one's gonna, it's join. This is correct. Join, join. Right? No problem. No problem. And maybe that one is new. Join, boy, and boy. ¿Esta saben qué es? ¿Un boy? ¿Saben qué es una boya? ¿Saben qué es una boya? ¿No? Bow, boy, bow. Look, in the ocean. Estas, this one right here. You know, for the floating in the ocean. Boyas de mar, okay? No complications, right? We can continue. Boy, 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 join, boy. 37. It's like ow, 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 ow. Ow is a yes. Si suena. This one sounds like ow, for example.
Now.
What is that? Now, now, now. Y este es gritar. What is it?
Shout.
Shout, shout. Which is this one, right? 38. Ready for 38?
Yeah.
38. It's an A twisted, right? About. Okay, it's like an A, obviously, right? It's like an A, and it can be very difficult in this case. For example, in this one, right? Whoa, it's a yes, by the way, because it's yes. About is like about is like a similar. About, no es about, it's about. And this one is escalera. Ladder, 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 escalera. Y miren aquí, no es pencil, it's pencil, pencil. Pencil, no, pencil, pencil. And then we have dollar, dollar, no es dollar, it's dollar, in there, dollar. The dollar, you know, okay. And this is it. It's like hour. You know? Sorry. Hour. This one is complicated, actually. All right. Pencil, dollar, ladder, about. Okay. Number 39, guys. We're going to go with this symbol over here. Se fijan, es una E-A-R. All right. It's a yes, totally, because it's an R. Right? Sorry, guys. Right? Tell me when you finish so we can go with pronunciation. All right, let's see. Number 1. Look at this one right here. It's chair. Chair. ¿Se fijan cómo es? Chair. Chair. No es necesariamente la R, no es right? Obviously. It's like okay, look. Chair. And this one? What is it?
There.
There. Ahí está. There. Pera. Pera. What is it? Per. Per. Right? Look at this one. Where. 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 Ahí está el sonido. Where. Ahí está. And then we have there. All right. Can you distinguish the sound? Yes. Yes. And then we have prayer, prayer, prayer. A prayer, un rezo, okay? Rezo. All right, this is pera. All right. Ready for 40? 40, 40, 40, here we go. Oh, this is very simple. Look at the symbol. It's an A. A. And it's a yes because it's an A. And look at this one. Very simple. Apple, 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 okay? Ready, 41?
Yes. Yes.
41. This is similar to the other one, like but this one is with E. Ear, ear. For example, it's a yes, obviously, because it's an R. Bird, bird. It's como bird. Sorry, guys. Bird. Se fijan que no es necesariamente una I. No es beard. No. It's bird. It's like IE. Bird. You got it? Bird. And then this one is term. No, it's term. It's term, you know? Burn. Burn. Pearl. Oh, esa es bien complicada. Pearl. 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 Perla. Word. Word. Ahí está el sonido. Ok. Journey. Journey. You got it. The sound? Yes? Crazy teacher?
Yes.
44? 44? This is very similar to the, remember that we mentioned the right? It's like a double It's a yes, totally. More. It's not a lot. Oh. It's more like an O, not like an A. It's an O-A. Law. Law. Oh, it's more like an O. I'm sorry. It's more like an O. Fast. For example, law. It's like O-A, O-A, law. Y este de aquí. All. You see? O-A, O-A, all. All. You got it? Cubierto o tenedor. Fork. O fork. And here is pour. Pour is like an O. Pour. Aquí tenemos esta. More is like an O. More. board, for, war, no es war, it's war. It's bought, and sauce. Sauce, no es sauce, es sauce. Okay? All right, 2 more. Come on, let's finish. This one is like a E-R. It's a yes. Ear, 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 ear. We have ear, oreja, ear, steer, manejadera, steer, here, there it is. Classifier, ear, classifier, okay? Classifier. Ear, steer, here, classifier, finish.
Yes.
And the last one, finally. Oh no, 44. No, yeah, 40. Oh, okay, it's a mistake, 44. I was like, what? 2 more? Okay. This one is like ue, uar, ur. Ur, it's a yes. Ur. Like in cure, right? And tourist. Okay, finally, Jesus, right? All right, guys, I'm very sorry, but tomorrow we are gonna do, okay, tomorrow is a new topic, finally. Okie dokie. Questions? ¿Quieren que les mande esas diapositivas? ¿O no necesitan? ¿No las quieren?
Yes.
You make, yes, you want that, okay. I'm gonna send them to your parents, okay? Okay.
And
Well,
me.
and you too. Okay, Paul? Yep. Okay, doc. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. And
Thank you.
tomorrow
You
next
too.
new topic.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, guys. Have a good day.